We're going to go ahead and replace our air filter, located right here inside our air filter air box. Now I want to go ahead and access our air filter underneath this air lid or air box. Our particular vehicle is missing the air intake tube from here that runs over the battery and attaches up to the radiator support. So if you have this here, it's going to be easy for you to go ahead and pop this off to go ahead and access the hardware here. Now we're using an 8mm socket to remove the screws holding the air filter lid onto the air box. I'm going to grab our connector here, pinch this and wiggle that off. Now I want to go ahead and grab that air box and lift that up. And I want to separate it from the air intake tube here. Remove that lid. Set that aside, and here is your air filter. You can lift this up. You can see that is pretty dirty, so you can go ahead and discard that. The inside of the air box, if you have debris in it, you can get a vacuum if you want. You can clear that out. Grab your new air filter, drop that down into place. And here's, you want to go ahead and drop this back down, install it onto our air intake tube. Push this down, lock it in. Let's go ahead and secure our 4 screws holding this lid down. Once we get all 4 of these screws started, I'm going to go ahead and snug those down. And do the same for the other 3. Get to line up the air intake tube and grab your sensor here. Pop that into the air intake tube. There's a little grommet on the back here. Pop that in, get your connector snapped in. Let's go ahead and secure the air intake tube here. Now, if you did remove your upper intake here to the upper of your upper radiator support, go ahead and install that now. If you didn't remove it, then you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.